Family Veterinary Hospital of Stone Ridge is a full-service animal hospital whose mission it is to provide the highest standards of veterinary care for all pets.
Hi, welcome to Family Veterinary Hospital. I'm Dr. Chow. Here we take great pride in making sure each pet is treated like a member of the family.
Upon entering Family Vet, our experienced staff will efficiently take care of the check-in procedures and make sure your pet immediately receives the appropriate pet care they need. Dr. Chow and her highly trained staff use the latest state-of-the-art equipment available in the business, like automatic lifts, convenient for pets and humans, ultrasound and digital x-ray machines, so a pet's prognosis can be closely and successfully monitored, and unnecessary surgeries can be avoided through the use of our endoscope. It's surprising what we can retrieve from a pet's stomach. Anybody missing a shoe? And for pets needing rehabilitation and pain management, our electroacupuncture and underwater treadmill will help them make a quick recovery to full health. Keeping abreast of latest advances and technologies like the Companion Therapeutic Laser, which Good Morning America highlighted as a 2009 Pet Product of the Year, and a kind and caring attitude is what separates Family Vet from the rest.
Dr. Chow diagnosed my sweet cat Tigger with cancer over a year ago, and I'm happy to say that he is cancer-free. And Dr. Chow and her staff treat our animals as the family members that they are.
We've been bringing Remy to Family Vet since he was a puppy. He loves it here, we love it here. I highly recommend Family Vet.
Family Veterinary Hospital provides owners with a complete line of services important to maintaining the health and happiness of your pet.
Your pets, our family.